Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9AT, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now tap on the search bar over here and type Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to tap at the bottom right corner over here, select Settings and click I accept. Then adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. And when you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on Set Wallpaper and selecting one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!